how you can make your first $500 or more per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing or CPA affiliate marketing, promoting other people's product using Google pay-per-click ads. Now, today I'm going to show in these 5 minutes, step by step, exactly how this is doable for you, especially if you're a beginner. If you've failed before, or if you already had some results. So let's go straight into it, right? Now, first of all, you can reach out to me later on my Instagram over here, my IG, my Facebook, my WhatsApp number, my email, everything I share is over here, right? Okay, so those are the results promoting with Google pay-per-click ads. Now, why I love Google ads, the reason why, my friend, is because Google is all about buyer's intent. You see, people go on Google search to buy products or to get educated. One of these reasons, right? Only two, educated or buy product. So the best thing is, okay, to go and target the right keywords, not only the positive long tail keywords, but also the negative keywords. Exclusions are also very important, my friend, okay? So once you promote, let's say, a product that's paying per sale, let's say even $500 per sale, right? With all the upsells, only with one sale per day, per week, okay, you can be making $2,000 US per month, which is not bad. Or if you have 2 sales per week, you're making $1,000 per week. If you want to make $10,000 per month, you make only 5 sales a week, and you, my friend, are at $10,000 net profit per month with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Okay, so maybe you're wondering, okay, I never had results. I lost money. I was scammed. I didn't get any results in the past. Okay, I understand. Lots of people understand that because we all been there. I remember a few years ago, I was trying to make money with Google pay-per-click ads. Now doing really well with TikTok affiliate marketing and Google and Facebook ads. Is doing all well because all these are ad platforms. Okay, it doesn't matter which platform you pick. What matters is what is your offer, who is your audience, and having the right positioning, the right engagement, and the right targeting. Okay, that's really important. Now, if you have failed before, it's not your fault. All right. But from today on, it is your fault if you don't change something. If you don't get someone who can help you, like you can see on here, over the Zoom call, 101, we do it together in 30 minutes, max 1 hour, get up and running those Google ad campaigns, right? Now, maybe you're wondering, okay, how much do I have to spend on ads? I would say as a beginning stage, I always say it doesn't matter, you have $1,000 on your credit card or $5. Start with $5 to $10 max in the first day. Google ad campaign. We do it together over the Zoom call, right? As you can see over here. With my client from Spain, my student, she's making around $25,000 per month right now with Google pay-per-click ads, with CPA affiliate marketing, right? Which is really great because you only need 20 to 30 minutes per day to do this correctly. Why? Because I always like to use this analogy, this example. If you have, those are your soldiers, your dollars that you have in your pocket. If you're just saving them, nothing is going to happen. Inflation is going up. Right? And you are losing money anyway. So the real question you have to ask yourself, my friend, is this. And it's coming out from my heart, okay? What am I losing? How much money am I losing every single day and month by not doing this, by not investing money in myself, by allowing fears and excuses to procrastinate even more, right? Ask yourself this question. This allowed me to naturally start having this kind of results. Traveling all around the world to all the amazing places, spending time with family and friends. All this is possible for you as you watch this video right now if you take action, right? So you can see over here, if you have 20 to 30 minutes per day, Wi-Fi connections, yes, you can do this, okay? And why I'm talking about Google Ads is because, as I said before, if you remember, Google, it's all about buyers' intent, buyers' traffic, buyers' clicks. People go on Google, for example, in USA, I have a back pain, or personal development, self-help, dating problems, relationship, it's really great niche, right? How to get my ex back, how to improve my marriage. People are searching for the pains and problems. And when they see your ad on Google, if it resonates with them, if you have the right message to the market match, then my friend, eventually you're going to win. Someone's going to buy when they click, and you're going to make 90% or more affiliate commissions. Again, it's possible for you. I'm talking about sustainable income. I'm not telling you millions per week, per month. No, I'm talking about sustainable. I don't know, $300, $700 a day. What you could do with extra $500 per day? Answer for yourself, okay? But you can see, right? The best part is you don't have to show your face on camera. You don't have to talk to anyone. This is not MLM. This is not network marketing. This is affiliate marketing, right? We're promoting everyday products online that people already want to buy. So in 2025, if you want to make money online, let me know. Connect with me one-on-one. Yes, I have my personal cell phone number on WhatsApp. I have my Instagram, Facebook Messenger, email. You choose what's the best way to communicate. But I'm not afraid to pick up the phone only if you're really serious. If you really want to make results, and I believe you do because you're still watching this video. So again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips.